and welcome back to another fun week with yours truly, Bolly B. If you have got the severe case of the Monday blues, we are serving up the perfect remedy with a little ice, spice and all things nice. From Malvika Mohanan and Siddhant Chaturvedi giving us an on-screen pair-up we didn't know we needed, to Dia Mirza leaving us pleasantly surprised with her wedding, we have saved up some good old movie updates, filmy gossip and things you don't want to miss. Monday got us feeling the heat with this hot new pair-up. Siddhant Chaturvedi and bombshell Malvika Mohanan quite literally set our screens ablaze with their first look clip of the romantic action thriller Yudra. Thank the casting gods because boy oh boy, their chemistry in all of 60 seconds was enough to get our hearts racing. Alrighty then, hit us up when you see those romance rumors buzzing around town, or at least when we get to see more of them getting up close and personal on the big screen. We took a trip back to reality and it seems that things are as lovey-dovey as they have ever been. You can imagine our excitement when we got word that actress Dia Mirza is all set to tie the knot today to her entrepreneur beau Vaibhav Rekhi. The actress and her close friends got together for a bridal shower over the weekend with the gorgeous bride dressed in white put on her veil and began her journey to forever with a smile on her face. This morning, pictures of her intricate mehendi design ahead of the nuptial ceremony went viral. Our bees got word that the ceremony will be a very private affair with only family and close friends in attendance. This will be dearest Dia's second shot at her happy ever after and we wish her only the best. It brought out the best in our B-Town stars. Everyone from Ranbir Kapoor and Alia Bhatt to Tara Sutaria and Aadar Jain ditched the red for shades of black and white as they made joint appearances at Ranbir Kapoor's birthday bash. Meanwhile, things seem to have got pretty heated on the gram with stars from Priyanka and Nick, Anushka and Virat, Kareena and Saif and many other cutesy couples shared their notes of love. Feast your eyes on all these pictures because such displays of affection don't come too often. Back on the filmy side of life, John Abraham kept it real when he shared a video of raw realities of being an action star. The hunk who plays the brawny, mean fighting machine on the big screen revealed that he too bleeds when stunt scenes go awry. The actor was left with cuts and bruises on his head after shooting a fight scene for Attack. Going by his reaction, it seems like it was all in a day's work for this hottie. And finally, Janhvi Kapoor and Rajkumar Rao's horror comedy that went through many title changes has not only got its final title Ruhi, but even has a release date. Is Bhutiya Shaadi mein aapka swagat hai. Read Rajkumar's post as he officially announced that the film will have a theatrical release on March 11, 2021 and will release the trailer tomorrow, February 16th. We are gonna go work on a scary face for a while, but we'll be back tomorrow with a lot more where this came from. Till then, it's bye-bye for now.